Hello and welcome. Today we will be playing Heart of Worship on our ukuleles. For this song we need 4 chords and they're C, G, D minor, and F. Every time you see a chord listed, give it 2 beats, and I like to count it like this: 1 and 2 and 1 and 2, and then go to the next chord, and 1 and 2, F, then back to G. If you're a little bit more advanced, then this is a great way to just warm up. And if you're more of a beginner, just play or strum on beat 1 and give your left hand the opportunity to learn all of the chords first. Now, if you can do a little bit more, you can do 1, 2, and for each chord like this. 1, 2, and 1, G chord, F chord, keep going. Just to bring something that's alive, that will bless your heart. And that's a nice tempo and a nice way to add more strumming. If you can do a little bit more, then you can do the strumming pattern down, 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 up, down, 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 up. This will sound really nice with the song. Now, an additional way of playing is that you can do a picking pattern. And for this, I'm assigning 1 finger per string, and the string names or numbers are 4, 3, 2, 1. 1 being closest to the floor. So for this one, I like the pattern of playing strings 4, 2, and 1 together, then the index. So it'll sound like this. I think that sounds really nice, and it's easy to count 1 and 2 and 1 with the index finger always falling on that and. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2, and then you switch. That's a really nice way to do it. Alright, so now let's go to the pre-chorus and look at the chord progression there, or the chords that we have. We have D minor, C, G, G. And then again, D minor, C, G, G. Then again, D minor, C, G, G. And then one last time. So that's all we have to do for the pre-chorus. So let's play through it. Remember, if you're more of a beginner, just do beat 1. 1 and 2 and C and 2 and then G. And if you can do more, down, 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 and down. And if you'd like to do picking, it'll sound like this. You're more than a song, for a song in itself. Okay, so choose your level and let's try it. 1, 2, breathe. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. I'm bringing you more than a song, for a song in itself. It's not what you have required. You search much deeper within, through the way things appear. You're looking into my heart. And then we would go into a chorus there. Let's do the pre-chorus one more time, just so that we really cement it. This time I'm going to do it with strumming so that you can hear it in a different style. Here we go. 1, 2, breathe. 1, 2, you can do it. Ready, go. I'm bringing you more than a song, for a song in itself. It's not what you have required. You search much deeper within, through the way things appear. You're looking into my heart. And we would go into the chorus here. So let's look at the chords in the chorus. Actually, I'm going to tune. I'm playing fairly new strings. I think that was the culprit. I'm playing pretty new strings. I do love them a lot. They're the Logic pink strings. They sound so bright and so beautiful. And the ukulele that I'm playing is a laminate instrument, but it sounds so nice. Okay, so let's go to the chorus. we have C, C, G, G, D minor, F, G. And then that same chord progression again. C, C, G, G, D minor, F, G. So it's kind of a long chord progression, but it's nice that it repeats. So let's try it. 1, 2, breathe. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. I'm coming back to the heart of worship, and it's all about you. F, it's all about G, you, Jesus. I'm sorry for the thing I made it, but it's all about you. It's all about you, Jesus. And here on this C, we kind of set ourselves to go back into a verse. So let's take a little 10-second breather. So this song has the different sections, right? We have intro, which we'll do next, verse, pre-chorus, chorus. So you've done the pre-chorus, the chorus, and the verse already. So the last thing we have left to do is the intro. So for the intro, we just need C, G, F, and G, and then we come in the verse. I'm going to pause here just so that we can practice that again. 1, 2, the intro. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. Let's do that one more time. This time I'm going to pick it so you can hear it in a different texture. Here we go. 1 and 2 and 1, 2, ready, go. So pretty, right? So I'd like to do a playthrough of intro, verse 1, chorus 1, pre-chorus 1, and chorus 1. So intro, verse 1, pre-chorus 1, chorus 1, so that we feel what it's like to play all of the sections. But first, I'd like to dedicate this video to my Patreon community. Patreon is a website that allows you to support creators like me so that we can do what we do best, which is, for me, to make lessons where I teach people music. So my Patreon members do a monthly pledge of like $3, $5, $10. They get to choose which amount. And in exchange for their pledge, they get weekly lessons live via Zoom or the replay if they're not there in person. PDFs, a new PDF every single Monday. We call it Music Monday. And then we also do meetups, and you can watch all of the courses that I've ever taught over there, which I have some that I've never taught anywhere else. And that's on Patreon. So thank you, Patreon members. I love you so much, and I really appreciate all of your help and support. And this video I'm dedicating to Kevin. Thank you, Kevin, for playing at the last open mic. That was really fun. Alrighty. So let's do a playthrough. Intro, verse, pre-chorus, chorus. I think I'm going to mix and match with the picking pattern and the strumming. You got this. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. When the music fades, all is stripped away, and I simply come, longing just to bring something that's a word your heart. video, I've been playing this pineapple ukulele from Ohana. I do have this available in my shop, and it is actually the top seller in my shop because people are so pleased with the sound of this instrument. So I'm going to link it down below. This is a laminate instrument, which makes it perfect for places that are really dry, or if you're going to do some traveling and you don't want to worry about like a really expensive wood. Laminate is a great way to go. I also have the Logic pink strings on this that sound really, really good. So I'm going to link both of these down below. Now, today's video is part of a series. I'm doing a whole worship music challenge, and I do play in my church's worship team. And you can actually go to church virtually with me because my church does a live stream of the services. You can see me playing on the weeks that I play as well. But I actually want to invite you because I think it's such a great way to study the Bible. I go to a Calvary Chapel church, and so we do verse by verse readings of the Bible. And then our pastor will read, give us the meanings of the words in the original language as well. So it has really transformed my walk of faith and how I understand things. It's just like it's night and day. So I highly recommend you attend church with us. So I'm going to link the Calvary Chapel El Centro Church down below as well, so you can join our live streams. Thank you so much for watching this lesson. Please let me know what your favorite worship song has been so far, or if I haven't covered your favorite worship song, also add that in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao. God bless.